I just automated my inbound form lead qualification with Lusha API and this n8n workflow, which will take this to input on my website from the user, which is their name and email address. That will kick off our n8n workflow, which will enrich our prospect on profile and company level enrichment using Lusha API, and send both of this data to a basic LLM chain that will make sure that is this prospect right fit for your business or not given on your ICP criteria. If they are, it will send a message to your SDR inside Slack and update or create a new lead inside your CRM. In this example, HubSpot. If they are not qualified, we still want to store the lead information if you want to refer them back. That's how you automate inbound form lead qualification with Lusha API that will enrich our prospect on both personal and company level enrichment. Let me show you the result of personal level enrichment. Here we just have the name and email of our prospect. That's it. Even we don't have the LinkedIn URL. But by using Lusha API, we will enrich by their full name, their email addresses, their phone numbers, their current location or where they are located at right now, their current job title, their LinkedIn URL, even their previous job role, so that you have enough context about your prospect. After enriching our prospect on a personal level enrichment, we also want to find out more about their company or where they are working at, and is this company right fit for our business or not. So let's open our company enrichment result. So we have the description, what this company does, their domain, their employee count, their estimated revenue, industry, their LinkedIn company profile, Crunchbase profile, their location, thereafter their funding round and history and various data sources, so you can qualify your prospect accordingly. Then after, we are sending all of these data points to a basic LLM chain that will make sure that is this prospect right fit for us or not based on your ICP criteria. So if you open this, we have fed everything about the business or the business description, and this is our system field prompt, which will act as a lead qualification agent and judge your prospect based on your ICP behavior. And we have the result. This prospect is qualified and the score is 1 on the range of 0 to 1. The reason is VectorShift is an AI startup and tech startup, and it falls under my ICP criteria. As you can see here, we want to work with those companies who are tech startup, AI startup or marketing SaaS. This is all powered by using Google Gemini models 2.5 Flash. As this prospect is qualified, we will send a Slack notification or Slack message to your SDR team or to yourself so that you can act instantly. So we have the message of new lead, and we are adding all the data points that are sufficient to us, which is the name, LinkedIn URL, the company brief, the employee count, the funding rounds, and good luck closing them. Not to forget to create or update a lead inside your CRM. In this example, HubSpot. The best part is connecting Lusha API endpoints to automation platform like n8n make.com is very easy. All you need is your Lusha API. So let me show you how you can grab that. First of all, head over to lusha.com and log in or sign up with your account with the link above in the post. Then once you are in, this is our beautiful dashboard where we'll head over to API. Then click on Generate API and copy this, go back to your n8n workflow and paste it here. That's it. That's all you need to do in order to connect your Lusha API to automation platform like n8n and Make. This is very effective workflow you can set up inside a business that will enrich and qualify prospects, add them to your CRM, even send a Slack reminder if they are hot lead, all without you having to write a single line of code using n8n and Lusha API. If you want to have access to this workflow, you will find the link somewhere in the post above with a full setup guide. I believe that data shouldn't be waiting in spreadsheets or sitting in silos. It should move cleanly, securely, and continuously, powering every tool inside your Slack. Automation should make your team faster and not replace them. And the best web tools are not built by vendors. They are built by operators who understand the motion of data end to end.